Uh, Here we are back. Okay, sorry guys for that. There were like, I don't know, problems with the connection. Okay, so let's continue working. We were about to start this first sentence, these first comparatives. Jonathan, microphone on and tell me, what's the comparative adjective for short?
Read it.
Short becomes
Read.
sorry.
Entiendo.
Remember to do the comparatives, Jonathan. We did it a few minutes ago on the previous class. On page 90, remember we say big, bigger. In this case, you have short. What's the correct form? Tell me, Jonathan. Microphone on. Yeah, look. Curlier, better, older. How do we make short?
Shorter.
Shorter. Thank you. Alexander, number 2.
The number 2 is curly.
Curly. Thanks, Alexander. Anne, number 3. From dark.
I can listen. You can listen. Darker.
Darker. Thank you. Annette, number 5. Here. We have better. Better is the comparative for what adjective? Remember that there are special adjectives that we don't include ER, but we change all the word because they are exceptions of the rule. So which are those 3? Remember them. We have farther, we have better, and worse, right? Good is for, bad goes with worse, comparative, worse. Far, comparative, farther. In this case, we have the comparative better. What is the adjective, Annette?
Farther.
Sorry?
Harder.
I cannot listen to you. Can you speak louder?
Farther. Harder.
Not exactly. Do you not remember the 3 special adjectives or the 3 that are different? It is good. Okay? Remember. Thanks, Annette. Good becomes better for comparative. The same happens with far. Far becomes farther. And in the case of bad becomes worse. Okay, that's the correct way to do it. Next one, Amy, number 5. Mhm. Beautiful. What's the comparative of beautiful?
Beautiful. Is
Mhm. Remember, what do we do? This is long. What do we do with long adjectives?
¿Cómo me está?
Sorry?
¿Puede repetir?
Listen, look at the picture. I mean, look at the box.
Ujú.
Yeah? Beautiful, and you have to tell me the comparative. In this case, we have intelligent. More intelligent, which is a long adjective. So in the case of beautiful, what do we have to do?
Mm, La verdad no me acuerdo cómo se hacía. O sea,
Look,
sé cuál es, pero
look at this example, Amy.
more beautiful.
More beautiful, excellent.
Thank you.
Thank you. Carlos,
Thank-
number 6. Young becomes. Carlos, microphone on. Yes, Andrea, excellent. Younger. Andrea gave me the answer on the chat box. Thanks a lot, you're participating, that's nice. Next one, Rebecca, 7. It's not. Noemi, microphone on, please. Number 7. We have older. What's the correct form of the adjective? Good. Jonathan and Jenny. Noemi, microphone on.
Mina all day. All day.
Kind of. Older is the comparative, right? To make a comparative, we add ER. So what's the correct answer? Rebecca, tell me.
All day.
It's old. Old. Kind of, you were close, you were close. Older become, I mean, the adjective is old and the comparative older. Luciana, number 8. Microphone on, Luciana. Yeah, tell me, please.
Intelligent. Um, um,
More intelligent is a comparative. What is the adjective?
um, more, um,
We add more to the word intelligent, which is the adjective. So what's the adjective?
More in
Look at number 5. Read number 5. Adjective, beautiful. Comparative, more beautiful. Here tell me what's the adjective for the comparative, more intelligent.
intelligent.
Intelligent. Terminus. Intelligent. Mercy. Number 9.
Ugly.
The comparative for pretty. Remember that it ends in Y. What do we do with the ones that end in Y?
More ugly.
Not exactly. Prettier. Prettier. More, or like prettier. Okay, that would be the correct one. Okay, guys, finish this activity. Let's go to the next one. Let's go on. Number 3 says, complete the sentences. Use a comparative from the adjective in brackets. Jose, number 1.
My hair is goodness your hair.
Yeah, thank you. Number 2, Angelina. Yeah, so my dad is?
Older.
Thanks, Andrea. Next one is going to be Angelina. Yeah, Angelina. 4. You are your brother. Angelina, tell me, you are, complete the sentence, please. Yeah, we add ER on the short adjectives. Intelligent is a long adjective. What do we do with long adjectives?
More intelligent.
Thanks, Jenny, but we were waiting for Angelina, okay? Angelina, tell me, what's the answer? We add a word, okay? Thanks. Well, pay attention, Angelina, so we can come back on another exercise, okay? As Jenny says, yes, more intelligent. Remember, we include more when the adjective is long adjective, intelligent. 4 syllables is long. So we add the word more, okay? Francesca, number 4. Francesca, sentence number 4. Maria Sol, Number 4.
Funnier.
Sorry? Read all the sentence,
Okay. His story is funnier. My story had my story.
Than my story. Good. Next one. Dana, number 5. All the sentence read, please.
Are you taller than me?
Thank you. Finally, Anne, number 6.
Her hair is more striding. Your hair.
Than
Yes,
than
than
your
your hair.
Good. Don't forget that because it's really important, okay? Good job, guys. That will be the last activity, and that's the correct answer. Remember, you need to take the picture to the book and send it to Zoom, okay? Before we go, I need you to show me on the camera your worked book, please. Show me on the camera that you have worked on your book. Finish writing the answers and let me see, please. Open the book and show it to me like in the camera, please, so I can read and see how are you doing with that book, because some of you are not sending pictures. So I need to check that. Yeah, we will complete these sentences tomorrow. We will complete these activities tomorrow. So homework, guys, activity 1 and 2 on the platform. Activity 1 and 2. Yes, wait for 1 minute, Guillermo. We are going to finish now the class. So homework, you are going to do activity 1 and activity 2 on the platform. Activity 1 and activity 2 on the platform. Moodle platform, no Cambridge, okay? On our normal platform, okay? The one and only forever, that one. Do activities 1 and 2 from this week, okay? Mire la fecha de esta semana, pues, ¿no? So, before we go, Rebecca, can you tell me what was the topic we were learning today? What was that? Do you remember? Guillermo, tell me, what were we learning about today? Yes, Mercy, that's the topic.
Comparative.
Comparative adjectives. Excellent. That's the topic for today, and we are going to continue working with that topic the whole week. Okay? Thank you guys a lot. See you tomorrow. Bye.